Dear students, the fifth episode G5. Let us discuss about several problems like exercise 4.3 and the next question of that exercise 4.3. Let us start with task 1 for G5. The first question is a weight problem. It is important for board question examination. The first is a train travels 360 km at uniform speed. Its speed had been increased by 5 km per hour. It would take 1 hour less. Therefore, find the speed of that train. That is the question. It is a very question. That means uniform speed means the speed is always uniform. That means at any time speed be same. That not increases. Then we know that speed is equal to distance by time. It is speed. Therefore, what is time? Cross multiplication, we get the time is equal to distance by speed. Therefore, in this question, we can find out the speed of that train. Answer is what? Speed of train is equal to s kilometer per hour. That is the speed of the train. Increasing speed is equal to 5 kilometer increase. Therefore, x plus 5. The distance is equal to 360 kilometer. 360 kilometer. Okay. Then using the formula, time is equal to distance by speed. Therefore, time for first is greater than for the second. Therefore, time for first is 360 by x. Time for second is 360 by x plus 5. This is the large time, this is small time. That is 1 hour less means difference between these two is equal to 1. We get an equation. Then cross multiplication, we get 360x. 360 into x plus 5 minus 360x divided by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1. Then take the 360 as common. X plus 5 minus x by open x square plus 5x is equal to 1. Cancels x and x. Cross multiplication. 360 into 5 is equal to x square plus 5x. That is the equation. Therefore, x square plus 5x, 360 into 60, that is 0, 0, 190. Shifting to left is equal to 0. This is the quadratic expression from that speed. Then we know that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to minus 190, 0. Then using the quadratic formula, find the root of x. That is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is b is 5 minus b is minus 5. plus or minus root of 5 square 25 minus c is minus, therefore minus into minus plus 4 into 1, that is 18 into 4. So 9 7200 by 28, that is 2. So equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 7225 divided by 2. 80 square is equal to 6400. 90 square is equal to 8100. Therefore, 7225 lies between 80 and 90. Therefore, the square root of 7225 is 80. Okay? 5 means 5 into 5. That is 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 85 divided by 2. Minus 5 minus 85 is minus 9. It is always negative. Therefore, the speed is always not negative, it is positive. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 plus 85 by 2 is equal to 80 by 2 is equal to 40. Therefore, speed of train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. That is the answer. Therefore, we know that x is the speed of the train. Then the first speed is equal to distance by time. Therefore, time is a distance by speed. Therefore, time taken for the first journey is equal to 360 by x. If speed increases, therefore time taken for the second journey is equal to 360 by x plus 5. Difference between these two is 1. We get the contradiction and the solution. That is the first question. Okay. Then let us consider the second question. Second question is two water tubs together fill a tank in, it is also a problem, in 9 and 3 by 8, that is fixed fraction, 3 by 8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than smaller one. Find the time in which each fill the tap. That means we can find out the speed of each tap separately. Then that total time together with these two is 9 and 3 by 8 hours. It is a mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. Therefore, total time is equal to 9 and 3 by 8 is equal to 75 by 8. Time taken for the smaller. Time for smaller is equal to x hours. Therefore, time for larger is equal to x minus 10 hours. X minus 10 hours. Then volume by 1 hour. by smaller, 4 smaller is equal to 1 by x that of larger is equal to 1 by x minus 10. Therefore, OM by 1/4 together. OM by together is equal to 1 by 75 by 8 is equal to reciprocal 8 by 7. Then the equation is 1 by x, that is smaller, plus 1 by x minus 10, that is larger, is equal to 8 by 75. Then get LCM, that is x plus minus 10 plus x by x into x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Okay. Then x plus x is what? 2x. 2x minus 10 by, open the brackets, x square minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. Cross multiplication, we get 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10x. Then open the brackets. 75 into 150. Yes, minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Then shifting this term to the right. 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750 is equal to 0. That is 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. 2 is the common factor, therefore divided by 2. That is 4x square minus 5x plus 375 is equal to 0. That is a quadratic equation. A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 115, C is equal to 375. Then using the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a is equal to b is minus 115, therefore minus b is 115 plus or minus root of b square multiplied 115 square that is 13225 minus 4ac, 4 into 4, 16, 375 into 60 It is 0, 0, 0, 6. That is 6, 0, 0, 0. Divided by 2a, that is 8. Then that is equal to 115 plus or minus root of 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 6, 13 minus 6, 7. Divided by 8. Okay. 7225 is 8 into 8 is 64. Therefore, 80 square is 6400. 9 square is 81. Therefore, 90 square is 81. Between these two, 8 and between 80 square and 90 square. The last one is 5. Therefore, it is 85. Therefore, x is equal to 115 plus or minus 85 by 8. Then x is equal to 115 plus 85 by 8, comma 115 minus 85 by 8 is equal to 200 by 8, comma 30 by 8 is equal to, that is 200 by 8. 2, 16, divided 4, 25. 25, comma 15 by 8. Therefore, let us consider it as 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 and x minus 10 is equal to 50. Therefore, time by smaller is equal to 25 hours. That of larger is equal to 15 hours. That is the top. This is time taken by the small top. That is that time. That is 25 hours and the larger is 15 hours. Then the third question is, it is also a word problem. The third question is, sum of area of two squares is 468. That is 468 meters square. Difference of their perimeter is 24 meter. Find the side of square. Find the side of the squares. That is the question. Okay. The side of first square is what? It is value. Difference is perimeter. Side, answer is side of first square is equal to x meter. That of second square is equal to y meter. Let us assume. Then difference of the perimeter is difference between larger and smaller. But larger, that is larger. 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. Shifting 4y to right, 24 to left. That means the perimeter difference between is A or B or C. That is x minus. That means let us assume it is larger. That is 4y minus 4x is equal to 24. Therefore, this is the larger and this is the small. This is small. This is larger. Therefore, 4y is equal to 24 plus 4x. Then, the sum of the squares that is x square plus y square is equal to what? It is 468. Then what is y? That is x square plus what is y? 4x plus 24 by 4, that is y. The whole square is equal to 6, 4, 6, 2, 6, 8. Then we get the 4 as common, that is x square plus 4 by 4, that is 1. 25 by 4 is 6. The whole square is equal to 4, 6, 8. Then this is only from a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab, that is 12x, plus b square, that is 36. Shifting 4, 6, 8 to left, minus 4, 6, 8 is equal to 0. That is x square plus x square, 2x square, plus 12x, that is 4, 6, 8 minus 36. That is 2, 3, 4. That is minus 432 is equal to 0. This is not the simple form divided by 2. We get x square plus 6x minus 4 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1 times, that is 1 and 6. So 0, this is the quadrant equation. Okay. Then, using the quadrant formula, we can solve the equation. That is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 2 and 6. Then what is x? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is b, it is 6. Therefore minus b is minus 6. Plus or minus root of b square, 6 square, that is 36. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into 1 into 260. That is 260 into 4. That is 864 divided by 2. 900 by 2, that is 30 square. Therefore, that is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 30 by 2. That means what is x is always positive. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 plus 30 by 2 is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. Yeah. Therefore, side cos smaller square is equal to 12 meter and that of larger is equal to, difference is 24, therefore 12 plus 24 is equal to 36 meters. That is the answer. The fourth question is also a very problem. It is speed of a boat in still water is 11 km per hour. It can go 12 km upstream. Upstream means against the stream, that is upstream. And return means downstream in 2 hours and 45 minutes. Find the speed of the stream, that is the question. Then we know that distance, what is time, is equal to distance by speed. This is the basic formula to find out the time. Total time is 2 hours and 45 minutes. 45 minutes means we can convert to 45 minutes into hours, that is divided by 60. That is 45 minutes is equal to 45 by 60 equal to, that is 50 divided by 50, that is 3 times by 4. It is 3 by 4 hours. That is the answer. Therefore, total time is equal to 2 hours and 3 by 4 is equal to 4 to 2 8 plus 3 1, that is 11 by 4 hours. This is the total time. Then we know that the speed of that boat is 11 km per hour. It is always same. Therefore, speed of stream is equal to x kilometer per hour. In the upstream, the speed of that boat reduces by the speed of that stream. Therefore, speed of the boat in upstream, that is 11 minus x, and the speed of that boat in the downstream means it is the final speed is the speed of that still water boat is also added with that. Therefore, speed in upstream, speed in upstream is equal to 11 minus x, that in downstream is equal to 11 plus x. Then we know that the time is equal to what? Distance by speed. Therefore, distance is 12. Therefore, 12 by upstream, 11 minus x. That is 12. Plus 12 by 11 plus x is equal to, that is the total time, 12 kilometer upstream and also 12 kilometer downstream. That is 12 by 11 minus x, that is the time for upstream. 12 by 11 plus x, that is the time for downstream, is equal to what? 11 by 4. Then let us see cross multiplication. 12 into 11 plus x plus 12 into 11 minus x, 4 divided by 11 minus x into 11 plus x is equal to 11 by 4. Then take the 12 as common, that is 12 into 11 plus x plus 11 minus x divided by a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square is equal to 11 by 4. The next x cancels. That is 12 into 11 plus 11, 22 by 121 minus x square is equal to 11 by 4. Divided by 11 negative 2, 11 negative 1, that is 12 into 2 by 121 minus x square is equal to 1 by 4. 12 into 2, it is 24. That is cross multiplication. 24 into 4 is equal to 121 minus x square. Shifting minus x square to left, that is x square. 121 to right. 96 is equal to, that is 25. This is only a quadratic equation with the x square tail. Therefore, x square is 25. Therefore, s is equal to root 25. Is equal to plus or minus 5. We take the speed as only positive. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, speed of stream is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. That is the answer. 5 kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed of boat is 11 kilometer per hour and the speed of stream is equal to 5 kilometer